Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I am Vashan Brown. The 2019 World Competitiveness Report was released earlier this week, showing Jamaica's economy was the least competitive of the three English-speaking Caribbean countries that were ranked. Weighing on the country's ranking, crime and issues related to the establishment of laws. Average economic growth is expected to be 0.5%. More in this report.
The annual World Competitiveness Report is the most comprehensive and credible dataset of its kind for both governments and foreign investors, drawing information from sources such as the IMF, Transparency International, the World Bank, World Trade Organization, and the International Labour Organization, among others. Its findings are eagerly anticipated each year. For 2019, however, what shows for Jamaica is unflattering. Of the three English-speaking Caribbean countries ranked, Jamaica's was deemed to be the least competitive economy. Jamaica ranked 88th in the world of 141 countries. Barbados and Trinidad at 77 and 79 were ahead. Crime was the biggest jag on Jamaica's ranking. The World Economic Forum, which collates the report, ranked Jamaica at 140 out of 141 countries on the issue of homicides. Only El Salvador had a worse ranking in the global index. On the issue of organized crime, Jamaica ranked 135 of the 141 countries. 131 of 141 on the matter of security, and 109 out of 141 countries when it came to reliability of police services. But crime was not the only issue weighing on the island's competitive ranking. Jamaica recorded a decline in the level of checks and balances, judicial independence, and corporate governance. The country's ranking in macroeconomic stability also declined, as did the rankings on infrastructure. Other areas, such as the financial system and the labor market, however, improved. Dashan Hendricks, TVJ News.
Now, currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $136.92. The Canadian dollar is selling for $102.34. The pound sterling is going for $169.16, while the euro costs $150.50. Oil prices climbed on Thursday, settling at their highest in more than a week. Crude for November delivery rose 96 cents to settle at $53.55 a barrel. It was the highest front-month settlement since October 1. Now the JSC index dipped for a fourth straight day this week, shedding 1,210 points, while the junior market index rose by 8. The winners of the day included Lasco Financial, Epley, AMG Packaging and Paper, The Lab, and iCreate. Among the losers were 138 Student Living, Consolidated Bakeries, Blue Power, Jamaica Broilers, and Dermont Trading. And that's the Business Day. I'm Vashan Brown. Good evening.